Today, I want to share with you a recipe for sugar-free bonbons. They're really like little treats, an easy recipe, no oven needed, and very quick to make and enjoy. We're going to use 150 grams of dates. Dates are rich in natural sugars, like fructose and glucose, which makes them an excellent source of quick energy. They're ideal for athletes, people with an active lifestyle, or anyone who needs an energy boost during the day. The day before making the recipe, we soak them in water. The next day, we're going to use walnuts, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids essential for the human body. We grind 60 grams of walnuts. We can use a blender or a mortar and pestle. We remove excess water from dates. And we take out the pit or the seed. Then we cut them into smaller pieces. We add them and the ground walnuts to the blender. We blend everything together. We're going to get this really sticky dough. Now we'll use unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons. We add 30 milliliters of coconut oil. A splash of milk, this is optional, and we mix very well. Once we form the dough, we put it in the fridge for half an hour. In the meantime, we can chop 7 walnuts into 5 or 6 small pieces each. This will be the heart of the bonbon. We take the dough out of the fridge, wet our hands with water, and form little balls. We make a hole in the middle and place the walnuts there. We form the little ball again. And once they're all done, we put them back in the fridge. Meanwhile, let's prepare the coating. We're going to use 40 grams of peanuts, which we're going to chop very finely. Peanuts are a good source of B-complex vitamins, which are essential for the functioning of the nervous system and energy production. They also provide vitamin E and minerals. Now we'll use 130 grams of 70% dark chocolate, which will melt in a double boiler. We add a tablespoon of liquid coconut oil or another vegetable oil and mix well. I would really like you to tell me what you think about these types of recipes and if you would like me to share more of them. We add the chopped peanuts and mix well. We dip the balls into this chocolate and peanut mixture and cover them well. Then we let them dry on parchment paper. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and also to visit us on Facebook and Instagram. We put them in the fridge for 30 minutes. Once they're done, we'll present them in paper liners. It would make a wonderful gift for special occasions like birthdays or simply to delight the family. See you next time.